Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Target bag. Let's see what I got. Toy Story 4 RV Friends 6-pack. It comes with Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Slinky Dog, Jessie, Rex, and Forky. This movie came out 5 years ago. 3 pluses from Mattel. Here's the back. Slinky Dog, Forky, Woody, Rex, Buzz Lightyear, Jessie. Let's open it up. This box kind of reminds me of RV from Toy Story 4, and I haven't seen it in 5 years. Well, what do you mean? I have to open this because my nails are clipped. My nails are cut. So, now this could be easier to open. Here we go. This plastic's kind of blistery. Here's Buzz Lightyear out of the box. You can move his arms. You can move his legs. And you can turn his head. Here's Slinky Dog. It's stretched. And his legs move. Tail moves and the head. I might do this. Here's Forky. His hands are funny. Here's his tail and leg.
Is your shirt in the way in the camera?
Here's Rex out of the box. You move his arms. And his mouth opens. And you can move his legs. And the tail moves. Here's Woody out of the box. You can move his arms, you can move his legs, and you can turn his head. He even came with a hat. You got a friend in me. And last, we're gonna get Jesse out. That was easy to get out. Here's Jessie. You can move her arms. You can move her legs. And you can turn her head. It even came with her hat.
I might make it again tomorrow. Well, I didn't buy it. No. You know? I don't know because when I
If I really like these Toy Story figures, it's probably the coolest thing ever. We never talk about Toy Story. It's one of my favorite Pixar movie of all time. I love the fourth one. They kind of do anything about these toys. Don't you ever know how toys do? They go to a carnival and they throw things each other, but this is so cool if you have one. Now there are more movies. I don't know that is funnier ever to watch a movie. So that's why you ever thought that movie is a toy movie. So yeah, this movie is kind of a nice thing to watch if you ever talk about how a movie do. Now, do you know how movies can you see anything to watch? I bet it is. Now, like and subscribe to see more of that movie. That toy, you can play with it. This figure is so nice to play with it. You can play all day long. That's what we need to know if you play with these toys. Thanks so much for watching the Toy Story 4 RV Friends 6-pack figure. Bye.